Hi, I'm Tom Chernak. This is my 1987 RUF BTR Slantnose Cabriolet. It's one of two in the world that are in this particular configuration. Although it looks like a Porsche 930, this was actually shipped in white body from the Porsche factory to RUF in Pfaffenhausen. And they then took it and created this beast. And this car was in 1987, one of the fastest cars of the 80s, overtaken later by the CTR, which is the twin turbo version of this. And but this single turbo version is about 425 horsepower. It's bumped up from about 280 from the regular Porsche 930. It has a larger intercooler, bigger turbo, I believe cams. I don't know if it was bored out or not. It also has, unique to this car, a 5-speed transmission. The Porsche 930, at this point, Porsche didn't believe that the 930 could, the transmissions could handle the power from a 930. RUF actually took the regular transmission that was a 4-speed and converted it into a 5-speed with a dog leg for first. So you come sort of in and tight for first gear. But very special car. It was actually spec'd originally in Ferrari red by the factory at RUF, and it's had a really interesting ownership history. It was owned at one point by Bill Mao, who was the CEO of Bugle Boy jeans. So all of the crazy parachute pants and fashions of the 80s prompted this. In particular, there's a custom stereo that he had commissioned by Howard Becker, the guy who now builds custom SUVs, that has sort of hand-built crossovers and all sorts of equipment in it that makes for an interesting experience. Although really the sound that you want to hear is the exhaust. And as exciting as it is with this car to accelerate, and it's really thrilling, it's equally amazing when you decelerate. You get these grumbles and pops, and the wastegate opens up, and when you're driving it really hard, you actually get flames that come out of the wastegate tailpipe as well. I've had it the last couple of years. It was owned by a good friend of mine for many years. He actually found it on eBay years ago. He owned it for many years, and I had always loved 930s. In fact, today we're here at Lime Rock for the historics. My childhood friend is here with his father. I grew up driving around in the back of a 930 with his dad. His dad still owns it, but that inspired my passion for air-cooled cars, but in particular turbo air-cooled cars. I always wanted to have one for myself, and then when my friend found this one, I basically called him every 6 months, and I would ask him when he was ready to part with it. But it's been an incredible journey. It's a wonderful car. It's amazingly drivable in traffic. The 930 normally has a very unpredictable power curve. This is actually much more linear. It comes on a lot smoother. It just feels like it will never run out of power. It feels like if you just keep pushing your foot down, it will just keep going faster. It begs for it. It's driven fairly regularly. It's just a fantastic, fantastic car.